Japanese SUVs have long been known for legendary reliability, but 2025 just shattered that myth. While Toyota and Honda continue their legendary streaks, some big names are stumbling badly with transmission nightmares, electronics failures, and quality control issues that will make your wallet cry. Today, we're exposing both sides of the story: the three best Japanese SUVs that truly earn their reputation, and the three worst you absolutely must avoid. And we're not guessing. This is based on Consumer Reports, JD Power studies, and real owner experiences. Buckle up, because we're diving into the truth about Japanese SUV reliability in 2025, and some of it is going to shock you. The three worst Japanese SUVs of 2025. Number 1. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue has earned an unfortunate reputation as one of the least reliable Japanese SUVs available in 2025, with Nissan ranking dead last among Japanese automakers in Consumer Reports reliability rankings. The main reason is persistent transmission problems that have affected multiple Rogue generations. The primary culprit is Nissan's problematic CVT transmission, which has generated thousands of owner complaints, multiple class action lawsuits, and repair bills often exceeding the vehicle's remaining value. Owners report jerking, slipping, shuddering, and complete failures, sometimes before 50,000 miles. Transmission failures can manifest as sudden loss of power during acceleration, rough shifting, or total failure, leaving vehicles stranded and creating serious safety hazards. Class action lawsuits allege that CVT transmissions cause vehicles shuddering, jerking, and catastrophic failure, creating safety hazards and leaving owners with repair costs often over $10,000. Nissan allegedly knew about these defects, but continued selling vehicles with the problematic transmission without adequate fixes. Beyond transmissions, Consumer Reports data highlights electrical system failures, climate control issues, and interior wear. Infotainment systems frequently malfunction, touchscreens glitch, and interior materials deteriorate prematurely, which undermines resale value. Families who rely on the Rogue for daily transportation face both reliability concerns and safety risks due to these ongoing issues. Number 2. Infiniti QX50. The Infiniti QX50 suffers from the same CVT issues as Nissan models, but adds luxury complexity, which increases potential failures and expensive repairs. As Nissan's luxury division, Infiniti inherits the reliability problems of mainstream Nissan models, while layering in complex electronic and comfort features that are prone to failure over time. The transmission valve body, redesigned around 2015, often causes complete transmission failure, requiring full replacement rather than a simple fix. Costs can exceed $15,000, especially outside warranty periods. Infiniti's variable compression engine, heavily marketed as revolutionary, has proven problematic, with significant oil consumption, timing chain problems, and electronic control failures. This engine technology makes independent repair almost impossible, forcing reliance on expensive dealer service. Infiniti's electronics are also troublesome. Its dual-screen infotainment system frequently fails, requiring full replacement rather than simple component repair. Climate control malfunctions, navigation errors, and accessory failures are common, creating ongoing frustration and expensive dealer visits. Number 3. Mitsubishi Outlander. The Mitsubishi Outlander is arguably the weakest link in Japanese SUV reliability. Consumer Reports and JD Power consistently rate it poorly. Engine and CVT transmission problems, frequent electrical failures, and low-quality interior materials plague many Outlander owners. The continuously variable transmission exhibits similar problems to Nissan CVT, including shuddering, slipping, and hesitation, often leading to complete replacement. Electrical systems fail regularly, with climate control, infotainment, and safety electronics creating ongoing repair costs. Interior materials wear prematurely, and safety features sometimes fail or generate false alarms. Mitsubishi's reduced R&D investment and outdated engineering show clearly in the Outlander's poor reliability, making it a costly and frustrating choice for buyers in 2025.
The three best Japanese SUVs of 2025. Number 1. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid stands as the undisputed champion of Japanese SUV reliability in 2025, earning perfect or near-perfect scores from Consumer Reports, while dominating sales charts across America with its combination of proven technology and exceptional dependability. This isn't just another hybrid crossover. It redefines what compact SUVs deliver in reliability, capability, and long-term value. Consumer Reports consistently awards the RAV4 Hybrid their highest reliability predictions based on testing and extensive owner surveys, revealing remarkably few mechanical issues. Even in high-mileage examples approaching 100,000 miles, the hybrid powertrain proves more reliable than conventional automatic transmissions found in competing vehicles. Toyota's hybrid synergy drive, refined over decades from the original Prius, operates with fewer moving parts, reducing potential failure points. Electric motor assistance provides smooth acceleration, regenerative braking reduces component wear, and real-world fuel economy often exceeds 40 mpg. Standard AWD provides excellent traction without efficiency loss. Interiors are durable, electronics reliable, and components hold up well even under heavy family use. Number 2. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback occupies a unique position as a wagon SUV hybrid that delivers genuine all-weather capability through standard AWD while maintaining the reliability and fuel economy of a well-engineered passenger car. Consumer reports consistently recognize the Outback for exceptional dependability and owner satisfaction based on extensive testing and real-world operation. Subaru's symmetrical AWD provides mechanical traction advantages over electronic part-time systems, operating transparently without complex electronics. Its naturally aspirated boxer engine offers smooth, balanced, and long-lasting performance, often exceeding 300,000 miles. Ground clearance approaches 9 inches, and robust underbody protection ensures confidence on rough roads. Interior space is practical and versatile with a low-load cargo floor, generous cargo capacity, and comfortable rear seats. Eyesight safety systems operate reliably without false alarms, providing collision avoidance, adaptive cruise, and lane assistance, enhancing safety without adding expensive repair liabilities. Number 3. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V represents the gold standard for compact SUV engineering, prioritizing long-term dependability over flashy features. Multiple generations have earned top reliability rankings from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power surveys, with real owners reporting minimal repairs and engine longevity often exceeding 200,000 miles. Honda's naturally aspirated engines avoid turbo complexity, and the CVT operates smoothly and reliably. Interior packaging maximizes usable space, rear seats fold flat for large cargo, and passenger comfort rivals larger SUVs. Honda's sensing safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, and lane keeping, function dependably without false alarms, enhancing safety without adding costly repair liabilities. The Japanese automotive industry's reputation for reliability remains well-deserved when focusing on the RAV4 hybrid, Subaru Outback, and Honda CR-V, which continue delivering exceptional dependability through proven engineering and conservative design approaches. These vehicles offer long-term value, strong resale, and trouble-free service. However, the worst examples show that not all Japanese SUVs deserve automatic trust. Transmission problems in Nissan and Infiniti models combined with Mitsubishi's quality issues demonstrate that brand loyalty alone cannot guarantee reliability. Smart SUV buyers in 2025 must prioritize proven mechanical reliability over flashy features or marketing claims. The 3 best SUVs deliver engineering excellence and dependable performance, while the worst serve as costly lessons in thorough research. Remember to like this video if it helped you avoid expensive SUV mistakes, subscribe for honest automotive insights based on Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and real owner experiences, and share your Japanese SUV stories in the comments to help other buyers make informed decisions.